Alright guys, welcome back to another video with the Z. I bought some Nismo V1 skirts recently, so I'm gonna throw those on. And you guys are gonna learn with me as well, because I haven't done skirts at all. But yeah, I got some Nismo V1s back there. Stock ones are still on, but we're gonna swap them out. And also, if you guys been wondering why I haven't been uploading recently, as you could tell, I would upload like every week. Like I would have a video after video, but I've been working a lot at work, so I'm out of work right now. I'm still dirty, might as well get dirty again and do the skirts. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I ate and I also showered, so now I'm gonna try to work on it a little bit. I'm gonna wait for my girlfriend because she wants to do it with me. But I'll just show you guys what you guys gotta do first, and I'll probably just do that instead. Alright guys, so first you gotta do is take off these tabs that are gonna be in front of the fender in order to take off your skirt. I believe so. Oh no, actually, never mind. It's just this one. You should have two tabs right here. I only have a 10 mil right here because I messed it up pretty recently. So it's sticking out like that. And then on your rear, you're gonna have two more, like, make sure you have like a small screwdriver, or you could pick this up, take off the wheel, but that's too much work, so we're gonna figure out how to take it off right now. And then same thing for your other side. You're gonna have one right here. That's the screw looking one. Like I said, make sure you guys have a small screwdriver. And then yeah, same thing right here. Also, update on the wheels. I was driving pretty quick. Not pretty quick, but after work I was driving like maybe 40 miles per hour, and I hit a freaking pothole, and now we got a bend. It's not the craziest looking bend, but I'm sure we could get it fixed nice and tight. But it's cool though. You know why? Because I have an extra T7R. And then obviously we have the rears taken off because I got wire going on right here. But that's because I have too much camber in the rear, and you can see it's kind of poking out. I'll do another video on the camber arms because I recently bought some. They're on the other side. So yeah, get ready for that video as well. And yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, this is what $8 gets you. My girl ended up not getting me the Harbor Freight tools, but it's okay. AutoZone plug came through. The homie Nathan, my homie works there, and I asked them if you guys got any, and they do. And hopefully this works. If not, it's gonna be a disappointment. It's gonna be a disappointment. Oh, there you go. Just got a little jab in it, and also has a magnetic tip, so that's a dub. And then at the bottom, I know there's for a fact there's more screws and stuff at that bottom, but right now we're focusing on this on the sides, and then we'll get to the bottom. All right, so after you get that screw out of there, there's gonna be two if you're OEM plus instead of being salvaged. There's also a 10 mil under here. And then along the way, I think it's all 10 mil, but I'll find all of them. The first one is right here, right next to your tire, at the bottom, right there. All right, guys, so now you gotta go a little bit inside, and you'll also see there's another hidden 10 mil right near the tire again. And there's also this. I don't know what to do with that one. Maybe a flathead, you'll need that. Another little, what is it, 10 mil. Yep, exactly that. So we're gonna screw that one as well. And then there should be another one right there. And you get the memo. And all the way down there. Alright guys, so we got the other one out over there. And I believe there's one right there. Yep. Take out that one. Alright, we finally got the side skirt coming off right now. Oh, I might have broken the tabs. but it's really dusty. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the other one on. Oh shoot, maybe yeah. I mean, if that one looks like that and it was on like that, then we should be all right. We'll see. All right, chat, we finally got the first one off. Now this is how it looks like. This is also the OEM one, as you guys could tell. We'll go look at this, the new ones, the Nismos. Let's go look at them. Come on. Ow. All right. So the Nismo V1s are right here. You can't see it really great, but once I have them installed, I'll show you guys during the daytime, and I'll show you guys before and after. But they're right here. What they do is they sit a little bit lower, so my car might be a little bit lower, fake low, but yeah, we're gonna try to put these on as well. Okay, we got a little 10 right there. Remove that. Okay, guys, there's a lot to this, and I didn't know, but there's also 2 more 10 millimeters. So we removed this one right now, and then we gotta remove another one back here. It's gonna be hard to see, guys, but just fill it with your finger and remove that other 10 mil, because this plastic piece is basically this plastic piece of the skirt, and we gotta align those as well to install it. I'm doing the side skirt. I did those from the last clip. I'm doing that right now. Make sure you put the first one on first, and the second one will just automatically go into the second one. And then now we're just gonna start tightening everything. And basically just redo everything instead of loosening everything we just did right now. Just tighten it and use your brain. I'm kidding.
What are you eating?
Alright guys, so after you put in that, I would definitely recommend doing that first. Then you just push it in and it clips on. After that, you just put everything back together. So these screws, they should fit right inside that hole you had here. And do the same thing for the top one, and they should be there. And then all the 10 mils underneath, and you should be straight. Look at these dirty ass hands, man. Matter of fact, guys, I have the OEM side right here of how it looks like. Doesn't look like too much, but we're gonna put that V1 on, and yeah. Alrighty, guys, took off the OEM one. Now we're gonna put the Nismo one on right now. For the driver's side, finally got it done quick because my other one was cooked. But yeah, look at Kelly. She's coming in here to help. But yeah, we're gonna try slapping this one on. It doesn't even have the things. I'm gonna have to steal them from the old one, but there's only one clip. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but bolting it up and down should do the trick. But yeah, make sure when you find some, make sure they have these, because it's really important, but it should be all right. Alrighty, chat, we're done with this side now. Not the best fitment right here, but we'll work with something soon. But yeah, this is the Nismo V1 side on both ends. It looks sick as fuck. If anything, I'm just gonna put it down. But if you guys are wondering how I got these Nismo V1 skirts, I went all the way to San Francisco after work while I was working every day until like 6 a.m. to 6:30, and I was working long hours, like basically 13 hours. But I ran after work. I went to San Francisco. I obviously took my girl, and then we picked them up for $320 for the skirts. And they are worth a lot, you know, but definitely worth it because my other skirts were cooked like terrible. I'll show you guys real quick. But my driver's side always been fucked up. Look at that piece was missing and stuff, and it still held on pretty good. I should have put these clips on the new one, but it's fine. I mean, as long as it holds up, But yeah, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I do have the camber arms next that I'm gonna do for the rears, so wait on that video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If anything, I'm gonna lower it right now and we'll see how it is lowered as well, because if not, you'll stall. This is how it looks like in the nighttime. The V1 skirts. I'll get some better daytime videos for you guys. But at the same time, I work a lot, so I rarely get the chance of day. But we'll see how it goes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this install video. And if you guys want more, let us know. Let us know. But yeah, sits low now. Alright, you can kind of see how it looks like right now. Oh, hi kitty. Hi kitty. This random cat has been in my neighborhood for a while. But he's pretty, he or she's pretty chill. I don't know if it's a guy or girl. But yeah, side skirts installed. I got a little bit of daytime or, you know, sunlight to see it, but that's how it looks like. Yep. Look at the little cat.